fans that got me where I am today, and show my appreciation to the legions of them that really follow me everywhere I go. Thank you! Thank you! Good. Not letting that happen, which is to employ Jake, who is a very talented young man, and he keeps me grounded. So, Jake, keep me grounded.
Right, Dan, can you do this?
No, I cannot.
Right, can you do this?
Nope. That's more complex.
So, Dan, can you do this? Can you? You're not there at all. Come on.
We're doing the same thing, Jake! Yeah, I've appeared naked on a Broadway stage. I have kissed Emma Watson. I'm the most famous person you've ever been near. For f***'s sake, Jake, you make me feel so inadequate! Right, so here's the reason I don't care that I can't do a handstand or splits. I was 11 years old when I started in the most phenomenally successful franchise of all time. I have some of the greatest British actors of all time on my speed dial on my phone. I have Gary Oldman, Alan Rickman, Maggie Smith, Danny Dyer. I have Danny Dyer on my f***ing phone.
Yeah, but can you do this?
I'm gonna call him.
This?
I'm ready to go.